What's love for second and it moves?
We're on.
What's love got to? What's love for second and it moves? I don't like little Michael.
We're on. We're rolling.
You're gonna
Right
delete
now.
that one. You're gonna delete it and you're gonna start over.
Go.
Go. Oh, we're on. Right now? Did you erase? Alright, take 3. Okay, wait. Before you get too carried away. Before you get carried away, we need a topic. You can't just record me. We need a guest star. He's in the bathroom. It's just me and Steve right now. I need a